Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm doing something a little different. I am going to a place in West End on Tortola to have a breakfast. So I'm going to do like a vlog thing today for you guys, and hopefully along the way I can show you a bit of the BVI, and I'll have to twist around the camera to see so you can see exactly where I'm going. I'm going to try and drive and talk. I never did that before, so I'm doing an experiment at the same time. So, and plus I'll have to widen the glass because at a certain point it might be too windy for you to hear what I'm saying. So, here we go. Pockwood Pond area. Just wanted to see this boat that has sunk. Well, partially sunk. It's still seeing a peep of it. It's a yacht, right? This is basically, of course, after the hurricane. Okay, folks, so I really wanted to be able to show you the view as I was driving, but that didn't work out. My tripod is not set up for that. It just fell apart, and the actual equipment that I had to work with in the vehicle, I forgot to work with it, to pack it in my bag. So the island that you're seeing in front of you there, that is St. John, US Virgin Islands, and we're on Tortola, British Virgin Islands. So I can tell you how close we are to the US Virgin Islands. So as I get closer to where I'm going, we will see a little bit more of St. Thomas. This area here is where they dump all the trash, like galvanized washing machines, all that type of material, the hard material that can be burnt and stuff. After the hurricane, I can't remember the name of the place. I'll leave it on the bottom part of the screen so you can see. And what happened is maybe about a month and a half ago, they had a fire that burned for like about 3-4 days, and it was really a big concern. As you can see, the trash is looking kind of like brownish. That means that's because they were burnt for those many days, you know. So I don't know what they're going to do with the trash, if they continue to burn it or what, but they're doing some work there, as you could see. I don't know what's the plan for it. So guys, if you want to see more about the BVI outside of Hurricane Irma, I'll leave a link for my other channel where I do a lot of videos about, you know, sharing the BVI because I love the territory. And check it out. I'll leave a link on the top right hand part of the screen so you can check out my channel, different videos that I have done, and letting you know more about the BVI. Okay, I'm at my destination. Originally it was called the Best Cup, but they changed the name to Omar's Cafe. I haven't been here for quite a while, maybe about a year and something. I haven't been here even before the hurricane, and I'm seeing quite a lot of destruction. A lot of buildings have been totally destroyed. When I'm done here, I'm going to just walk around to see what things are looking like. I'll probably just do a turn around for you to see exactly what the place is looking like. So I'm going to order my breakfast, and we're going to eat and chat. I'm also going to see if I can get my son to join me. He works in this area. Yeah, so let's see what this place looks like quickly. I'm going to turn around the camera. The building here used to host like a grocery store, like called Right Way. It was basically an old building, so basically it's totally gutted out, destroyed. I don't even think they could do anything with it anymore. And this is basically like a jetty just in the yonder, in the distance, that used to have the ferry for West End. That has been totally blown away. I haven't driven on that side as yet. Somebody said they just have a tent to house I could see a white tent over across in the distance for the West End ferry. But all the boats that go to like the St. Thomas and the other Virgin Islands, they basically do their stuff from Rotong. So this deck here, as you can see here, totally washed away. This video is supposed to be about my breakfast, but as I'm here for the first time since after the hurricane, I decided to do a footage. Yeah, what it's looking like. Don't forget to get a copy of my book with my Hurricane Irma experience. I'll leave a link on the top right hand part of the screen for you to get a copy. And this building you're seeing here used to be like a restaurant called Pusser's. The lady told me that they're doing business upstairs, but downstairs nothing is being done right now. So let me just go and order my breakfast and enjoy. This is my son, my handsome son. Hello. Damn, this is one huge cup of coffee. I had to let the girl just take out some coffee. She put some more milk and tone it down for me a bit. That's what you're drinking? Where's that? Oh, you drink tea already? This is my son again. But you ain't give me no hug, no kiss, nothing, you know. I need blushing. Look, keep blushing. Yay.
I'm blushing because you need to take off the camera.
Alright. This is a rare, very rare opportunity. People to see my son, my baby. Okay, so I ordered a tofu sandwich. They said it's salted. Slice this tofu and salt it a bit and make a little sauce. So I have some hash browns here, orange, tomato, little slice of, I forgot what you call this. Anyway, some fruits. So here I go. My son is recording with me. I'm so happy to have him here with me this morning. So let's see how this tastes. This is a regular baguette bread.
Stop it.
Why? It's like chicken. Anyway, so tofu does taste something. Can I taste it? It's like chicken. Okay folks, that's it for the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. For the breakfast part, it was, for the first bite, it tasted like chicken. But I had to check to make sure it wasn't chicken because I know I ordered tofu. But it tasted quite good. I guess with the combination of these sauces that they made, it was a sauce, a homemade sauce that they did, right? I guess with the combination of that, with the tofu, gave it that sort of a chicken sort of a taste, right? But one thing I really need to say, I support this this restaurant, good people, good service and everything, but I really need to say it. Actually, my son noticed it. With the sandwich, there was a side with the tomato, lettuce, a slice of orange, and some fruit. And with a lot of flies around, I guess because of the seawater and the seaweed, so I got some seaweed, a lot of flies around, you know, I mean, it's expected, right? But my son was saying there's a dead fly on my lettuce, right? To me it looked like a mosquito, right? And it was dead, looked like it wasn't recently, it was dead for a while. So my son called the young lady who attended to me and she took the plate away right away. But I told her I already started to eat. I would have continued eating, just not, I wouldn't have ate the lettuce. But she took it away and they brought me back a fresh plate. She said I have to take it away to do your fresh plate, and they did do that. And yeah, but it was quite a lot. I only ate half of the baguette. By that time she came back, I basically lost my appetite, and I don't really like to eat that much for breakfast. So I only ate half of the baguette with the tofu, and I have another half in my bag. I'll eat that when I get home later. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the little footage that I showed you with the area around. This is West End. This is the first time I've been here back in this area since after the hurricane. And I know it had a lot of damage, but I didn't realize the extent. You have to really see these places to understand, especially if you know how they were before and how it is now. You really have to see it now for yourself to see the extent of the damage and stuff. So it's a nice little view that I'm seeing here after I left the restaurant. And I just want to share it with you. I'm on the West End, part of Tortola. Yes, I just want to see what it looks like. Basically, at the last point of West End, Tortola, I wanted to show you, we can see St. Thomas from here. Let me just point. It's around there. I hope I can see it right. That's St. Thomas. And around to the side, not this piece of land here, the one to the back, that is St. John. As you can see, a badge is just passing by. Maybe he's going St. Thomas, who knows. Let me just show you how close St. John is. To the side of me here, this area here is Frenchman's Key. That is where I basically was. That's not Frenchman's Key, that's Soper's Hole. That's where I had my breakfast. And here, here, that is St. John, St. John, U.S. Virgin Islands. So you can see how close we are to the U.S. Virgin Islands. So what the debate is that we are so close and basically like one big family. We just, instead of trying to the French saying British Virgin Islands and US Virgin Islands, we would say US Virgin Islands just period. But my debate is you need to know which set of islands that you're talking about, because as you know, the British Virgin Islands is governed by the British, and of course you have the US Virgin Islands. So you need to differentiate which set of islands you're talking about, you know. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.